If you're watching this video, you already know how to log into Canvas. Let's check where can you find your assignments, activities, and grades. First of all, you can find your assignments and activities in the To Do and Coming Up sidebar. You also can find your activities in the course schedule and the learning modules shortcuts in the main page. You will be able to find your activities and assignments also clicking on modules and syllabus links on the left sidebar. That's crazy, they are everywhere. Finally, you will find your grades and reports clicking on the grades link at the left sidebar.